I think you are searching about camcorder, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following thing, are you looking for? Need good quality camcorder? Need free shipping camcorder? Looking for camcorder having excellent digital zoom? Looking for full HD type camcorder? If the answer is yes, then let's go, and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best camcorder. Number 1. CARPRIE Camcorder, and the feature is screen, 2.7 inches TFT to LCD. Zoom, 16 into digital zoom. High definition support, 1080 pixel, full HD. Clips, AVI 1080 pixel, 720 pixel, VGA. LED lighting lamp, less than 1.0 meter range opening or closing. Let's go for number 2. BOBLOV Camcorder, and the feature is sensor, CMOS, the maximum 20.0 megapixels. Zoom, 16x digital zoom. Image resolution, JPEG, VGA, 2M, 3M, 5M etc. Move resolution, AVI, FHD, HD, VGA, QVGA. Night vision, IR night vision. Let's go for number 3. Ouhaobin Camcorder, and the feature is image sensor, CMOS image sensor, maximum 24.0 megapixels. Digital zoom, 18x. Video file format, AVI, FHD, HD. High definition support, 1080 pixel, full HD. Pixels, 24 million.